Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the Boolean primitive data type in JavaScript. Okay, so what exactly is a Boolean? In JavaScript, a Boolean is a primitive data type that can only have one of two values, true or false. Okay, simple enough. So inside of the console, you can just write true, something like this. This is good. False. Okay, all right. I don't want to do something like this. False. This is also good here as well. Okay, so here inside of my code editor, I can just save this one. Okay, so let's do is premium. Okay, if a product is premium, okay, if that is the case, let's do something like true. Okay, so is premium is true. Also, please note down this convention here. Whenever we are writing a Boolean variable name, we do something like this: is premium, is angry, is logged in, or is logged out, or something like that. So we do something like this because we want to make sure that our variable names is totally clear. All right, so I can do console log is premium. Okay, that is true. All right. Also, please keep in mind that this true is without any sort of quotes. All right. So if I just do something like let is free equals to, I will add a quote and then true. These two things are different, and I can show it to you here as well. Console log is free. All right. So as you can see inside of the console here as well, this true, which is kind of a purple-ish color, this is a Boolean, and this white colored true is a string. Also, we can use the type of operator. So type of, so that this is totally clear to us. All right. So as you can see, this one is premium is a Boolean and is free is a string. Okay, so in case if I just change it back to something like false, as you can see, it is now Boolean here. Okay, so this is basically it. This is the Booleans in JavaScript. Okay, Booleans are the primitive data types that can have only two values, true or false. And now you might be thinking like, hey, what exactly is the use case of the Booleans? This will make more sense when we will be learning about the conditionals in JavaScript. We use Booleans all the time, okay, inside of the conditionals. All right, so this is the Boolean. One other thing in this video which I want to point out here is that in JavaScript, it is specifically to JavaScript, we can change the variable type altogether. So what exactly do I mean by that? So this one is free is false, right? Currently right now. So I can do const is premium. All right. And this is free is false. So now if I just do something like this, so is free. Now I can do 1, 2, 3. Okay. If I change it to a number, that is totally valid code. Okay, so is this a good idea? No, it is not, and that is why TypeScript exists. Okay, so when we will be learning about the TypeScript, this will make more sense. But just to keep in mind that inside of JavaScript, we can update the variable value as well as the variable type altogether. All right, so it doesn't matter like if I just do something like a string here as well. Okay, it doesn't matter. So I can do 1, 2, 3 here. All right, so is free will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just to keep in mind, in many of the other programming language, this thing is prohibited, right? Okay, so this is basically it for the Boolean data type in JavaScript.